Finally, I'm home. Today was really tiring. I wish I had money to buy snacks or maybe new things. Hmm, what's this? This is a lot. Paldo.
Then I remembered that my little brother had been saving money for
I
something
want to
he
buy
wanted to
something
buy.
for myself too. Oh, no one is here. I maybe I could just take a little. He probably won't notice it.
For a moment, I felt
But
tempted. I thought about the things I could buy.
why do I feel guilty just thinking about it?
Then I remembered how my little brother told me he had been saving money
This
for
money
weeks.
isn't mine. If I take it, he might feel really sad. And if he asks about it, I would have to lie. No, that's not right.
Sometimes doing the right things is difficult.
I shouldn't take something that doesn't belong to me.
Kuya, have you seen my money here?
Yes, right here on the table.
Oh, good. I thought I lost it. Yeah, I'm saving this for weeks. I want to buy something special.
That's great. Keep saving. Yay!
At that moment, I realized that honesty is not always about big decisions or life-changing moments. Sometimes, it is reflected in the small choices we make every day. Simple actions such as telling the truth, admitting a mistake, or returning something that does not belong to us may seem insignificant, but they reveal the values we carry as individuals. This moment often happen when no one is watching and when our action may go unnoticed by others. However, choosing what is right in this situation shows our true character and sense of responsibility. It demonstrates that we value honesty not because we are being observed, but because we believe it is the right thing to do. And through this small decision, we gradually develop integrity and respect for ourselves and for others. Even the smallest act of honesty and integrity help build trust, and strengthen our character, and teach us important lesson about responsibility and respect for others.